In this video, you will learn what a distance time graph is and how to use it. Imagine Sam cycles from his house to his cousin's house 10 kilometers away. It takes him 30 minutes. He waits there for 30 minutes before continuing on his way to his sister's house. She lives 6 kilometers away and he arrives at 3 p.m. He stays for an hour before returning home. He gets back in at 5. What you have just seen is the formation of a distance time graph, documenting Sam's journey. The line A to B shows him travelling away from his house. Because this is a straight line, it shows he is travelling at a constant speed. The flat line B to C shows that his speed is 0. He's not moving. Because speed is found by dividing distance by time, on our graph it's represented by the steepness of the line, also called the gradient. To calculate speed from a graph, we need to measure the gradient. We do this by selecting the 2 points we want to find the gradient between, then finding the change in distance and the change in time. Try and find the change in distance and time for the highlighted line. We can see the change in distance is 10 kilometers and the change in time is 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the same as 0.5 hours. To find the speed, we divide distance by time, so we divide 10 by 0.5. This gives us a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Try finding the speed between C and D. The change in distance is 6 kilometers, with a time of 30 minutes or 0.5 hours. 6 divided by 0.5 equals 12 kilometers per hour, so slower than part AB. This tells us that the steeper the gradient at a point on the graph, the faster the speed at the point. The flatter the gradient, the slower the speed, with a completely flat line meaning 0. Where the line is in the negative direction, this shows the direction of travel is opposite, such as back home. Can you work out the speed? The distance change is 16 kilometers, with a time change of 1 hour, so Sam is travelling at 16 kilometers per hour. If a line is curved upwards on a graph, it's showing a change in speed, an acceleration. If the curve is flattening off, this also shows a change in speed, a deceleration. So there you have it. To find speed, using a distance time graph, work out the value of the gradient by dividing the change in distance by the change in time.
Please like and share our videos with your friends. If you have any questions that you want help with, just comment below.